Good evening, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Tonight I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2007 WRX STI Impreza. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. I do apologize for the light here, guys. I'm trying to get this in the best I can for you under the circumstances. We did just get this one in, so I wanted to get that out here for you. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But I can tell you this much, guys, this is one of the cleanest 2007 WRXs I've seen, STIs, in a long time. And you'll see what I mean as soon as I get it in there. See, it has that, the spoiler there. The glare is really killing me, guys. I apologize. Again, just want to get these angles in here for you. And we'll get down here on tire size here in just a second. Again, I just want to get this in the best I can. Let's get down here on tire size. Hopefully you can read that. Tires, the wheels and tires look like in fantastic condition. Look like they've been curbed up everywhere. You normally see. Let me try to block this glare here. Oh, that's tough. Glare's really throwing off the color and everything. But we'll keep the show rolling here. Let's get to the inside condition and features. Like I said, this is so clean for an 07. I mean, this looks brand new, including the seats. I mean, normally some sort of wear, stain, something. Whoever owned this, I mean, seriously took very good care of it. Passenger seat here. Let's get the back for you. I mean, these look brand new still, no scratches, nothing. We again get the back seat. And then I made the mistake of actually pulling this out of the bag. I think this is a window shade there. But here, I'll just throw that in the back seat again. Throw that in the back seat. All right, let's get some features up front. Get it to focus for me there. This thing looks about as stock as you can get. We'll see when we look underneath the hood. This thing is crazy clean. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. There's a really good chance if you're looking at this, especially these Subaru STIs, you know what you're looking for. So I just want to get it in the best I can for you. Alright. Let's turn it over. Sorry about that. Alright. Turn that down. There's the mileage there. As as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Everything works great. I'll turn on some lights and go back to the engine here. Let's get the back for you. Alright, let's go back to the engine here. It is purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, which it looks like I might have to do because of the glare here. If there's anything I can do, again, come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around. Literally whatever I can do, I'm happy to do it. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.